Hello, folks. Um, you see that lump right there underneath the blankets on the dog bed? That's my dog. She's so weird. She has to sleep with the blankets completely covering her, so she uses her nose. Oh, there she is now. Now, right now, I am cooking pancakes and some bacon. I can't say the word because she knows what it is for a late night snack. I know she smells it. I know she does. But she knows I don't like her begging. So let's see how long, once she hears like fork on plate or me opening the oven door, let's see what she does. Let's see. I'm betting she just can't resist. Maybe I'm wrong. Well, I knew it. I knew it. The lure of the bacon and pancakes. And yeah, here she comes. Yep. With her nose almost stuck inside the hot oven. Yeah, hello, baby. Hello, Zoe. Yeah, you know I don't like you begging. I knew it. Okay, sweetheart. Yeah, now she's all happy. Now she's gonna run and jump on her little bed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now let's see. Yep, here she is. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah, hello, baby. Bacon and pancakes. Hello. And you can see. Oops. She's trying. Yeah, I caught you, buddy. Yeah, I caught you. The whole world caught you. In my messy apartment. Alright, I just wanted to see. Thanks, folks. Oh, and her name was Zoe, by the way. But I couldn't say her name because she popped her head up, so I wanted to see. Alright, thanks.